You can find both print and electronic books using PowerSearch. Here's how. Start at the library's homepage and type in your search terms. Let's try classroom discipline as an example. The search results contain thousands of results from different types of available resources. One way to narrow the results to specifically books is to use this drop-down arrow and select books. Your search results now show the print and electronic books available on your subject. Notice that these brief records show which floor the book can be found on and also the call number. You will also see the links to online access when it is an ebook. When prompted, use your NetID and password to view ebooks. This is the same username and password that you use to sign into D2L. You can place a hold on a book that is checked out. To do this, sign into your library account with your NetID and password. Click on the title that you want, and then look for the option to place a hold. If you are a distance student who lives outside of Yellowstone County, choose Home Address under Personal Delivery. We will mail you the book and also a return address label for sending it back to us. This is a free service for our distance students. If you have any questions or problems, please call the library at 406-657-1662 or send an email to library@msubillings.edu. Thank you for watching.